Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to show you today is on how I mounted my Plano tactical case to my roof rack. Stay tuned and like and subscribe. Alright guys, so here's what I'm using and here's what I did. So on my roof rack itself, I measured out where the two mounting points are on the channels on my roof. I drilled a couple 1/4-inch holes, and I'm using some strongman straps from Home Depot, and I believe these are like a 1/4-inch nuts as well. So I'm mounting it in 2, 4, 6 spots, and then with these straps going across, it's going to hold it down pretty tight, because I am carrying some tools up there. I'm going to be carrying maybe a compressor or a pump, maybe a little sledgehammer, and some other tools that I'm going to need on the off-road as I go. So let's go ahead and mount this thing up, and I'll show you right now. So up here on the roof, and I'm talking about the channels, I have this extruded aluminum pieces of channel roof. So I got these two carriage bolts. I believe they're an inch and a half carriage bolts. So I got 2 right there, 2 in the middle, and then 2 at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line up these bolts with the holes on that's already in the case, and then mount it up. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so now you can see as I got this on the roof, I got the bolts bolted in, and now all I have to do is, what I want to do on the ends is I want to go ahead and double bolt them to kind of lock it in so it doesn't move. The middle is a little tight, so I'm only going to keep a single bolt, and then on the end over here I'm going to double bolt that as well. So all these straps is going to hold it in place. Once I cinch it down, bolt it up, I can start loading it up with all my tools. And let me show you that setup in a minute right here. And here you go. Here's the completed product. We got the thin foam on the bottom, and you pick this up and you can see the straps all done underneath. So once you put your tools in here, they'll be padded on the bottom, padded on the top, so they shouldn't be shifting around on hard brakes or rocks or whatever you're going over. Should be good to go. Let me load that up right now. Here's some of the tools I got lined up here. I mean, I got a small sledge, I got some pry bars, I got some open-ended sockets up here. Got me a tool roll with all the screwdrivers, nut drivers, everything I need here. I got a breaker bar, and then I got a axle nut right there. I got a spot right here for a compressor, small jack or something like that, bottle jack, compressor, and then I got some tie-down straps right here. If there's other things you guys think I can throw in here, maybe it's like baling wire or whatever, throw it down in the comments and let me know.